So I woke up today and I decided that I'm going to try something new. If you've been watching my videos recently, you're going to know I've been travelling around the Peak District for about the last 8 weeks. And I've been to some really beautiful places and took some great photos. But sometimes it's nice to have a change. I think it's important as a photographer to always be a student and always take on new things so that you can grow as a photographer. So today I have come somewhere new. I've come to a place called Carding Mill Valley, and this is in the Shropshire Hills. Now, if you watched my last video, I went to a place called Bamford Edge in the Peak District. If you haven't checked it out, you can check it out here. I'll put a link there. Now, it's an incredibly challenging day because it was blowing a hooey, as they say down south. It was really windy and I struggled to get any sharp images. I managed to get 2 in the end, but it was a difficult day. Now, in that video, I said about the importance of checking the location and checking the weather and a few other things before you go to a new place. This is important so that you're ready and set up when you get there. Now, I've got a travel companion with me today. He is a fellow photographer, a fellow friend, and he also happens to be my dad. Things easy, do I? As you can see, I've set up here on this precarious looking hill where the camera looks like it could roll down the hill into the stream at any time. But generally you find that you get all your best compositions in a difficult spot. At least that's my experience anyway. So this composition at the moment is actually shooting up the lovely Shropshire Hills, as you can see up there. And you're led through the photo really by this beautiful meandering stream. I say meandering, it's more cascading. The water here bounces off the rocks and it actually comes alive. There's lots of streams which I saw in the Peak District where it almost goes through the rocks and sinks in, but this is really alive. And I think what I'm going to do with this photo is, rather than slow down the exposure and get that milky, blurry effect in the water, I'm actually going to get it so I can capture the detail in the water as it bounces off the rocks. So my camera's going to be in aperture priority mode. I don't need to slow down the exposure. I'm going to keep it on f11, and then what I'm going to probably do is I'm going to focus stack it. So I'm going to focus stack it with about 4 or 5 images to get it nice and sharp. So I've had to abandon that lovely little spot I had on the dangerous precipice, and I'm now under a tree, as you can probably see, and my dad's with me.
Hi there.
And it's because it's been threatening to rain for quite a while. I've had bits of drizzle here and there, but nothing that's really bothered us too much. But now it's having a good rain. I'm just hoping that this is not the forecast for the rest of the time we're here, because I'd like to take a few more photos if I could, but we'll have to see. I think I've got a good photo in the bag, so we'll have to see what happens. So unfortunately, after waiting under this tree for quite a while, the weather has beaten us. It's drizzling now constantly, and it's not good when you haven't got weather sealed lenses. As you'll know, lenses can get damaged with water. Now you did get to see me take a second picture just a minute ago, which was through the beautiful flowers. I don't know what the flowers are, so if you do, leave me a comment below, I'd like to know. Just going straight down through the valley. It was quite a nice shot. Hopefully it comes out looking good with a little bit of post-processing. But I've really enjoyed today. It's great to come and shoot somewhere different. I've been around the Peak District, as you know, so it's nice to have a change of scenery. And I'll definitely be visiting this place again, just with better weather, because it was just drizzly all day. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, then why not subscribe to the channel? And I'll actually put at the end of this video, just in a minute, some more photography adventures so you can carry on watching some. Whatever you do today, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.